In this video I want to show you how you can change the connectors. In my case, a Tamiya connector from my ESC to a XT60 connector, because that's what I'm using on my battery. So for this, what you need? Of course, a connector. Like I said, the XT60. Some itch rings. Something to solder. In my case it's a soldering station, but you can just use an iron. Soldering. And something to cut the cable. So first, let's cut the original connector that we want to change. In this case, a Tamiya connector. So to cut it, you can take a knife or anything you want. In this case I'm using this because I can stretch the cable off. So to cut, remember that it depends what you want to cut. In this case I can cut the two connectors, but remember, if you are doing this on a battery, never do that, because on the battery like this, if you cut the two wires at the same time, you can short the battery. So never do that, always one at a time. In this, there's no such a problem. And there we go. So next, let's take a bit of cable off. Not too much, just a bit. It's enough. So now let's add some soldering coil inside of the connector to help soldering. Start soldering now. let's add some heat shrink on this. So to add the heat shrink, you have to pulse it in. And now we just need to apply some heat to the heat shrinks. We can use a dryer, a lighter, or even the soldering iron. There you go. Connect the zap, change it. So black with black. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's working, it's blinking. Ready to go. So see you next time.